Hi guys, welcome back. If you have got a squeak coming from your engine bay and you're not 100% sure where it's coming from and you want to eliminate whether it's belt squeak or not, start the car up and then squirt one belt at a time with WD-40, and if it is belt squeak, then it will disappear. I'll show you. So you can hear that belt squeaking. Obviously that's quite annoying. Not 100% sure that it's coming from the belts, but I'm about to find out. Obviously be really careful because the engine is running and you don't want to get your hands caught in a belt. But the first one is that one there. And that's going around the alternator and that hasn't stopped it. And then the next one is this belt here. And it stopped it immediately, and that's the power steering belt. So there you go, it's as easy as that. Use WD-40, don't use something like GT85 because that's got PTFE in it. WD-40 will actually kind of evaporate to nothing and won't leave anything behind. You don't want to end up with like slipping belts or anything. And actually these belts do look a little bit old, so I'm probably going to change them anyway. Hope that was helpful. If it was, give me a thumbs up and I'll see you on another one.